Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. Now hold the microphone icon at the bottom left corner. If you can't see it, click on this icon at the top left one. Select those three dots at the top right corner. And finally, tap on Settings. Then select Reach Input and click on the gray sweater next to Voice Typing to activate it. Following that, go back to your keyboard and hold now visible microphone. Then start typing. When you're done, tap on this button with a microphone. In order to go back, click on the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!